Hello guys, it's time for another wonderful adventure with Nick George, Cause Diamond Sharpening. Let's go down to the bench, get this going. Okay, in this video today we're going to see how this thing works. It's called a hair clipper. The difference between a barber one and an animal one is one says BGC, this one says AGC. One's for barber, the B is for barber, the A is for animal. The difference is that animals have this latch because they go through more hair and some of it's matted, and then the cord will be different. Sometimes animal clippers come in 2 speeds and most barber clippers come in 1 speed. And if they come in 2 speed, they usually don't go as fast as animal. If I was to be a barber or animal groomer, I would use the animal ones. They're cheaper and they are better. That's just my opinion. Now some people like a slower clipper because the blade will get hot, and if the blade gets hot you could burn your customers. So if you're not swapping these blades out, which I highly recommend, having a marble block, set it on the block, let it cool down, get another blade, put it on there, oil it up, do your head or dog, go back, put it on the block, put this one on, and then re-oil it. You want to oil it every time you use it, at least. Too much oil won't hurt, but it will gunk up, so don't use a lot of oil. And when you engage these blades, I recommend having it on, because this motor has to jump start. So if it's already spinning and the little ear will fall in this little gap right there easier, and you won't damage anything. You can turn it off if it's easier for you. Remember to use this latch. This is what this video is about, how to unlatch your clipper blade. I just gave you a little info leading up to it. Okay, so basically I keep mine running. If you don't like doing that, you could turn it off. Push this in, it slides up, and it pops off. I have a lot of customers that have these broken, and how they break is either they fall off these springs and the hook gets stuck on the blade, then you'll need to replace both. But sometimes it's just because you forget to push this. It's a latch. It unlatches the blade. See it moving? It latches right there and holds this from coming up. So, turn on your clipper, put it on here, snap on, let it click, it's locked down. See? It does not lift up. Unlatch, latch. Thank you for this wonderful adventure. I'm going to have more educational videos coming up. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye.